Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Spring Porter with Spring Solutions LLC. In this video, I thought I would go over unclaimed funds, discussing what it is and what it is not, just kind of some myths that are out there pertaining to unclaimed funds and what to expect. So I am lumping in this video tax overages, bankruptcy unclaimed funds, and state overages because that's basically sort of the three pillars in all of this, and the process to doing it is a little bit similar. So if you're interested in knowing what that is, please stay tuned. Please note that I am not an attorney. This information is not indicated as legal advice. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Hi everyone, this is Spring again. Thanks for tuning into my channel. And as I mentioned, I'm going to be going over some kind of myths on what unclaimed funds is and basically what it is not based on my experience. So what it is not, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to get rich overnight doing unclaimed funds. You may go over after the higher payouts. You may go after only tax overages where the payouts tend to be higher. And even if you're doing that, it's going to pay out over time. It's not going to happen for you overnight. So just kind of get that out of your mind. This is not a scam, right? The unclaimed funds are there. You see it on the ledger, whether it be state funds, tax overages, or bankruptcy. So it's not a scam, obviously. People are always asking, like clients, for example, you call them and you're like, hey, you have unclaimed money, and they automatically think it's scam. So you're going to have to convince them that, hey, this is what it is. And then also, of course, there are people out there that do bad things and they have bad business practices and they're trying to run scams on people. But the process to actually doing the unclaimed funds and doing it properly is not a scam at all, right? So another thing that it is not, as I mentioned, it's not fast. It's not fast money. The money is there. You're still going to have to do the work. And even if you're doing the quick step method that I laid out for you, that it doesn't happen all the time. There are going to be some people that don't want to do it that way and they want to do it the long way, and you're still going to get paid, at the end. So the process, it does not happen quickly, whether you're working with state overages, state funds, or bankruptcy. The process varies depending on where you are in the states and which funds you're going after, right? And basically if you're missing any information that's in the packet that you're supposed to be providing. This is not a regular job. A regular job, someone gives you, these are your day-to-day tasks. I need you to do them. You have, a building, you have your desk, everything is laid out on basically what you're supposed to do. The hours are there that you're supposed to work. Here, you're creating your own template. You're creating your own business from the ground up. So you're having to put together the parameters to which you want to work. You have to create a company policy. You have to create the things that you are going to do and the things that you're not going to do. Are you going to be adding state funds to bankruptcy? Are you also going to be doing tax overages? Or are you just going to be doing one particular thing? So that, again, makes it not a regular job because you're creating this from the ground up. And that's not always an easy thing to do. You may have to get help with having someone mentor you on how to do these things. Going after a lead here and there and closing a deal is just one thing, but to fully sustain it, you're going to have a program in place for your business, how you want to move it along. And that is not always an easy thing to do. So what unclaimed funds is, and again, depending on which sector, all of it can be lumped together as unclaimed funds for the purposes of this video. As I mentioned, unclaimed funds is basically a tool to get you where you want to go. Do you want it to be a full-on business, or do you want to just have it be, again, a part-time business that you can basically start your business that you really want to do? Or maybe get extra money to add onto your house. Maybe you want to add an extra bedroom or do that patio set. Whatever it is that you want to use it for, it can be a tool. Maybe you just want to invest that money that you're getting from here and put it into some cryptocurrency, right? And get on the Bitcoin train like everyone else. It's totally up to you. It is a way to add to your income. If you're wanting to replace your income, you can do that too. It's up to, again, how well you set up that parameters to how you're building your business and how you want it to actually work for you. Now, it is work. It's just not a regular job. So as I mentioned, you're going to have to treat it like a regular job and putting together those specific duties that you're supposed to have day to day. What is your policy on these things? Are you going to be doing state funds only, tax overages, a combination of all three? How is that going to work for you? So in that sense, it is work because you're having to start from the ground up, even though it's not a conventional job. It is like a puzzle piece sometimes. Every case is different. You're going to have to fill in the holes on your case. Maybe you don't know the address. Maybe you don't know the client particularly. Maybe they're deceased. You're having to kind of fit all the puzzle pieces together in order to get your desired outcome. And above all else, what it is, unclaimed funds is a service that you are providing to people. It is really about helping people get the money back and helping them reclaim what is theirs. You have to keep that in mind while you're reaching out to them. Because again, as I stated, the funds will not always come to you right away. You have to go after it, and you have to provide a proper service to individuals. So I hope that this video is helpful. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. I apologize for this cutting off. It's a 5-minute video time frame that this gives me. And I try to make these videos short and concise because everyone's attention span is really short when it comes to YouTube videos. I try to give you the meat and leave everything else off. So I hope you like that approach to my videos. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.